Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I will show how to fix can't connect to this network error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's go start. Method 1. Go to the search bar and type settings for opening the settings and press enter. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi. Then click on Manage Known Networks. Now, click on the network provider. Then click on Forget. Close the window and reconnect the Wi-Fi. Method 2. Go to the search bar and type CMD for opening the command prompt and press enter. Clear the DNS cache entries by entering the following command. Type your IP protocol configuration /flushins. Press enter, successfully clearing the DNS cache, and close the window. Method 3. In the search box on the taskbar, enter Device Manager, click Device Manager. Scroll down to Network Adapters in the list of devices and expand it. Under Network Adapters device, right-click the wireless. Click Update Driver. Next, select Search automatically for drivers. Already installed drivers. Method 4. Go to the search bar and type settings for opening the settings and press enter. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Status. And then on Network Troubleshooter. Select the Wi-Fi and next press. Now click on Apply this fix. Troubleshooting has completed. Close the window and reconnect the Wi-Fi. Method 5. In the search box on the taskbar, type Control Panel, open Control Panel, click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Set up a connection or network. Then click on Manually connect to a wireless network. Then provide the network name and security type and password. Then click on Next for Add a connection manually. Successfully added it router. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.